last week I polled you all to see what video was more interesting, and this was the winner. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money online with just your phone. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss a step. This is for people who truly desire to earn money online using only their phone and Wi-Fi. First, let us understand the opportunity that we have to earn money online and how many people are able to access the internet from their mobile phone. You don't want to miss this wave, just like the .com wave, the crypto wave. You want to get ahead of this trend so you can earn money literally from your phone. Now is the time to establish your own online business and showcase and share your expertise and how you can help others. Step 1 is to sign up to the platform and select your plan. You will see this when you click the link down below. You can go ahead and click that, and then that will take you to the plans page where you can see which plan would suit you and your business needs. Once you select your plan, then the next step is to sign up for Stripe or a PayPal business account, or you could do both. Personally, I have both. The platform also offers some other payment integrations, but I'm not familiar with those, so I'm just sharing from my own experience and what has worked for me. So you're gonna set up a Stripe account or a PayPal account. Both of them are completely free, and that's what handles the payment processing. Once you sign up on those platforms, you can then go back to the platform and connect it into the system. That step is very important because that's how you're actually going to get paid for your online business and how you're going to be able to start generating income from your phone. If you choose to promote offers that are already on the platform, then you will need to add in your PayPal so you can get your affiliate commissions. That's how they pay out. They also do wire transfer, but I haven't tried that method. I just connect my PayPal, and when the commission is earned and cleared after the waiting period, it gets deposited into my PayPal account. Step 3, you need something to sell or promote. So the system actually offers different affiliate programs, different affiliate courses, e-learning that you can promote right away and earn a commission from. With affiliate marketing, however, that does take a little bit of time for you to receive your payment. So even if you recommend one of their e-learning courses or anything like that, if someone purchases it, you still have to wait for your payout. You don't get paid instantly. It'll take some time before you actually see that commission come into your bank account, to your PayPal account. So another way to begin earning quicker is to actually sell directly. I recommend digital products because you can create them one time. You're able to set it up where it can instantly be sent to your client or your customer, and they receive it instantly, and then you also will earn that money instantly because it's going to come through your payment processor. That's why we had to set up your Stripe account and or a PayPal so you could actually receive money from your digital product sale. I offer my community a done-for-you digital product, and the purpose of it is to help you build your email list as well as give you a blueprint so you can implement things for your online business and create an additional income stream for yourself. You can also resell my entire system and help others the same way I'm helping you. It's a learn and earn. You invest, you learn from what's within the system, what's within the blueprint, you apply it, and as you attract your very own audience, your very own community, you're able to sell this helpful tool to them and then also earn that money. And that money will come directly to your bank account through your payment processor. So this is not an affiliate commission. You would invest in this information. You would get the email capture, you would get the digital marketing blueprint, and you would apply it to your business. And as you attract people, then you're able to make 100% of the sales. So you just invest one time, and then you're in position to earn over and over and over again. Step 4 is marketing. So how are you going to sell if nobody knows that you're offering something? So a great way to get in front of people is with social media. So you have Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. It's so many. The list goes on and on. YouTube, that's my platform. This is my platform of choice, is YouTube, but there's so many different ways. So leveraging your social media marketing, content marketing. This would be considered content marketing. I create videos on a specific topic, and then I attract my ideal audience to it, and then I offer them something that can help solve that problem. So that's what content marketing is. Some people do blogs, like where they actually write posts out, and some people do video content like this, or maybe you're a podcaster. Things like that are content marketing. And then lastly is email marketing. And anyone who has been following me knows that I preach to build up your email list, because you own that list. So just in case anything funny happens with these social platforms, you can have your contacts and you can have them and have that direct communication to those people who are very interested in what you have to offer. So it's important to always be building up your email list. That's going to be your safety net, and you're going to be very happy that you took that time to invest in building up your email list, taking that time to build it up. So you can share your links on your social platforms. You can share your links in your content. My YouTube videos, I always leave my links in the description, and also my links are on my profile. And then as well as your email marketing, you can also include your links there, where you can then follow up with people who are interested in what you're offering. Step number 5 is to take daily action, and remember that entrepreneurship is a journey. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, with the power of the internet and being able to offer things directly to your audience, you can instantly earn money from your phone. So it's better to focus on establishing know, like, and trust, and a good reputation with your audience, with your community. And ultimately, that just takes time, that takes resilience, and it takes passion for wanting to be an entrepreneur. It takes the passion to want to help others. If you're ready to begin earning money from your phone and your Wi-Fi, then go ahead and click the link that I have in the description. I'll put the details down there if you want to follow along with this video to get you set up. And then also, if you are interested in my Done For You digital product that will help you get your journey going and get you on the right track, I invite you to go ahead and join us. So let's make 2025 our most prosperous year yet. And anybody who tell you that you can't make money with just your phone, then they probably just don't know how to, or they just want to keep you stuck, broke, busted, and dusty. Here we are all about empowering each other, achieving our financial and time freedom, so we can have more time and resources to do the things that truly matter, like being able to be there with our family during those precious moments, as well as not be so stressed out about having to work for every dollar that we earn by trading our time for our income. This way, you're going to be establishing yourself for the long term, as well as give you an opportunity to earn income that's not attached to your time. And that's where you're going to be able to achieve your time freedom and give you more flexibility and more opportunity to enjoy your life. You all be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video real soon. Be sure to like and share this video with anybody who you feel like it could help. Can't wait to see y'all next video. Bye.